This is Sarah Rade, and this is another endorsement of the video series for Carifin 2030. Now I have a little IBL crew going here. I know these two competed, and tell me your name.
I'm Brittany Jackson.
And you are?
Andreas Isaacs.
And he's very, very excited. So I know you are going up for Miss Carifin. How do you feel about that? Are you excited?
Well, yes, I am. It's a new experience for me, so I want to see exactly what it's about. But I love being a part of Carifin itself. So, you know, whatever is in store, I'm up for it.
Definitely. And how was your performance here today?
Well, I was a bit disappointed. I only lasted about 25 minutes, but it was fun. You know, I came for the fun and the friendship, so it was good for me.
That's definitely good. 25 minutes. Now let me hear from the...
Okay, so my performance, I'm very excited for my performance. Yes, so thanks. Well, you know, yes. So my performance here was excellent. This was the first time I competed in this thing in my life. I represented IBL. I was like the only guy in IBL that represented. I had support from Brittany here. Brittany was she wasn't up to my fitness, but we still tolerated her and stuff like that. However, I came out to take a phone call, like,
right.
But
what you would have taken this?
As I was taking it, my partner Kieran from FCB, he kind of won in the guys and stuff, but didn't have much guys. So out of 6 guys, he come about like first, so it's not all of that. But I definitely will be there for the football and the cricket on Saturday, and we go on beat out everybody, and win, take the trophy.
Thank you guys very much, and I will see you all on the sports day, definitely, right? And I know I've seen the IBL crew all over. I know they had pom-poms. They had pom-poms and stuff, so I definitely know they're coming out to support you. Good luck. Good luck. Thank you.